na tatay-tatayan sa industriya. I immediately said yes when he offered me the role of Jocelyn. Without even realizing actually kung ano yung sinabihan ko ng yes, hindi ko alam. Basta sabi ko lang yes. After 10 days po of working, yes pala meant knowing the feeling, whatever, ibig sabihin po, what every less fortunate Filipino feels. Yun ang inuohan ko po. Sa 36 years ko po sa showbiz, ito pong project na ito gave my life and my work new meaning and new direction. Giving back. It is through disaster and natural calamities that we get together and forget our differences, correct? But now it's different because we have Kawat Kalinga. And for that, I thank God Almighty sa lahat po ng mga blessings na binibigay niya, for making us understand, feel, and to be aware and to sincerely love our less fortunate brothers and sisters. In my small way po, I'm here for you and will continue to support Kawat Kalinga. Maraming pong salamat. Galing po sa puso ko. Kayo po ang tunay na mga bayani. Dahil po sa proyektong to, marami pong nabuksan ang isipan at higit sa lahat ang puso para po sa kapwa-tao na higit na nangangailangan ng tulong. Kaya muli po, maraming salamat. Galing po sa puso.